Hello everybody, now we'll go to interpreting your multiple sequence alignment using logos. Logos is a very good tool to terrific way to generate high impact pictures for your from MSA. So by this you can represent the good parts and conserve the amino acid in your multiple sequence alignment. You can represent and show the domains, the places which is more conserved, the binding sites, the motifs, all this can be shown easily by using logos. Of course, when you see logos, this means that each position corresponds to a column in a multiple sequence alignment. If you have a total the high letter that is higher than others, this means that it's more conserved. So the total height, it is actually represent the degree of conservation in your sequence. So you can see that the conserved amino acids, for example, like cysteine, it will be more taller than other letters, which is less conserved. So the conserved alignment columns give you the high logo positions, but the less conserved will be less in the height or low logo position. The size of each letter, we have to know that it depends on how frequent this letter is in the column, and of course the top letter means that it's most frequent. Logo also makes sense if you have a nice block, like a few letters that is corresponding to a nice block of letters that is high, so this means that it's highly conserved. And if it's surrounded by highly degenerated positions, that it gives them more sense. So that's why you have to check by your eyes and see if you see something like this, like a few letters that stick out of the and longer than the others. This means that it's small, probably it's a signature of something, or it gives you indication that there is something happening here, so you have to take a look at these positions. So anyway, a web logo is one of the good tools, and you can use it, especially web logo 3. And this web logo 3 have a lot of examples, and it describes a lot of examples that you have to read and actually understand, so you can go and use this tool in your study. A lot of examples. These examples you can read and see how they used web logo in interpreting conservation in DNA or in different proteins. These examples are really useful for someone who would like to understand the actual importance of logos. I just left them here and put these examples in the slides for you to read and to comprehend, so you can use them, use web logo to produce similar things from your sequence. In your own time, you can interpret conserved amino acid in your alignment using logos. So I hope this lecture can just be a beginning for you to understand and to use logos in interpreting your data. Now we'll go to the next lecture.